Good evening, ma.
Small boy, what are you doing here?
Ma, I'm looking for a husband.
My husband?
Yes.
Hope there is no problem.
No.
So why are you looking for him?
He asked me to come and see him.
Come and see him?
Yes.
He's not around. Go and come back later. Alright.
Babe, who was that?
I thought it was my husband. Oh. It was just a little boy.
Me too, I thought it was your husband. I got very, very scared. Babe.
Yeah?
You really have it. Come on. Your husband don't know what he's missing.
Are you serious? Okay, let's go inside before my husband will come back home now. Right. It's almost time.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm going to give you the hottest style of the year.
Ha! I trust you. I trust you now.
Come on, let's go.
Uh-huh.
Good job.
Honey? Honey?
Yeah, baby, I'm coming. Hey, welcome.
Thank you.
You again?
He was here before?
Yes.
Came to look for me?
Yes.
Okay. Yes.
Welcome, baby.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Well, why are you sweating?
I was busy inside.
Busy doing what?
I was cooking.
Cooking?
Yes.
Okay. Is there someone else in this house with you?
No, I'm alone.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm alone.
You are alone in this house?
Yes, babe, I'm alone.
Okay. I'm sure you don't know when this got here. Right?
Hey, how come?
It was my little friend here that brought it when he came earlier.
How?
So, yes. Are you sure you have been alone in this house?
Yes, babe, I'm alone.
Okay, because this phone has been recording everything that's been happening in this house since he came. You are sure you've been alone?
Yes, baby, I'm alone.
Okay. Brian, you did a great job for me. Wait for me outside. I'll be right with you. You've been alone, right?
Yeah, yes.
Oh. You've been alone. So who is this? Who is this guy?
Hey. Hi. He's my brother.
Your brother?
My friend.
Your brother, your friend. You are confused. Which one is it?
He's my friend.
Your friend? But you just told me that you were alone. Okay.
Okay, let's go inside before my husband.
Oh, look at that.
Okay. I'm going to give you the hottest style
Huh?
of the year.
I trust you. I trust you.
Hottest style of the year?
Hey.
Is that what he just said?
Hey.
What style is he talking about?
It was.
Is it like prayer style?
Yeah,
or...
deliverance.
Okay, that's why he's grabbing your waist like this. Huh?
He wanted to pray for me. Baby, please, man. It's the devil.
Do you want me to slap you first before you start confessing?
It's the devil, baby. Please, know what you think.
It's the devil.
It's the devil.
Why is it that when people do things out of their own volition, they start blaming the devil?
Hey,
Please, can you describe the devil? What does the devil look like? There's no need. Because if you look in the mirror, you will actually see that your face is that devil you are talking about.
hey, please.
Please, what?
Forgive me.
Forgive you.
Last chance.
Forgive
I
you.
will never cheat again. I will never.
Mr. Man, are you going to pretend that you've not heard what is happening here, or you want me to come and look for you?
Hey.
If I come into this house, that house.
Hey.
I'm sorry. So you have the mind to come into a man's house to come and with his wife.
I know, it's not what you think.
Eh?
Calm down.
You have no fear.
It wasn't intense.
You have no fear.
Maybe you kill him, bro.
If I descend on you,
Sorry, sir.
you have the mind.
Forgive me.
So you have no fear. What if I terminate you now? I will just disappear you. Nobody will even know what happened to you. Eh? That's you have no fear. You have the mind.
Then you want him, bro.
If I step on your head now, what will you?
You want him, bro.
Come. You are not afraid. You have no remorse for what you did. You are more concerned for your boyfriend.
No.
Right?
Sorry, forgive me.
Okay. You know what? Congratulations, sir, because you have married a wife.
Aye.
Just go inside, pack your things, and leave my house.
Second chance, baby.
Go with him. Second chance. You are who? Come on, go inside and go and pack. Where are you going to? Sit. Kneel down there. Kneel down and wait for your new wife. Come on. Go and pack your things and come and follow him.
Please
Go and pack your things before I descend on you. Go inside there, pack your things. You are living with him right now. Congratulations, sir. You've married a wife. You are going with her. You are going with her. There's nothing else you will say. You are going with her. Unless you want me to get you arrested. Should I call the police here? It hasn't gotten to that. I am being generous enough to give her to you.
No,
You understand?
please don't do this.
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for always watching my videos. If you're enjoying my content, please remember to always leave a like, leave a comment, and share the videos with other people. If you're not already subscribed to my channel or following my page, please do so to support the channel. And I'll see you guys on the next video. I love you all. Bye bye.